Hello, welcome to part 2 of the fuselage video. So to create this landing gear, make sure we're in a 3D sketch, grab your line tool, and then in the XY plane, draw kind of just arbitrarily out here just a little bit. And then we're going to come down at a 45-degree angle, click tab once to the YZ plane, and then we're going to draw this out and then up at a 45-degree angle. And that'll be just our kind of basic profile that we're going to use here for the helicopter. Now, using our dimension sheet, we could see the dimensions we have here for this half of our landing gear. So let's use that. We have 2 inches, 2 inches. This will be 5 inches, and we've got 0.5. So looking at that from the side, this will be a nice wide set of landing gear here. All right, now we have the basic profile done. I'm going to grab my sketch fillet and we're going to fillet all of those edges, all of those corners by 0.5. Oh, and you know what? This is not 0.5. That's 1.5. There we go. That looks a little bit more correct. And once we have those fillets in, we'll go ahead and exit the 3D sketch. Excellent. Now, on the right plane, open up a sketch, and at the origin, draw a circle at diameter 0.25. Now, utilizing our loft, our swept boss base tool, we're going to go in and select the circle as our profile and this 3D sketch as our path. And now we have the first half of our landing gear. And at this point, we're just going to use another mirror tool. Mirror facer plane is going to be the right plane. And let's see, the bodies to mirror are going to be the half of the landing gear. Click OK. And now we have the finished helicopter fuselage and landing gear. The last thing I'm going to do, this little arrow right next to the display manager, if we can drill that open, and you know what, let's see, I'm going to go back into my feature, and when you're doing this mirror on your landing gear, click merge solids, and that's going to make sure that you have just one continuous body all the way around, and that makes a difference for right here. For the appearance of the actual plastic part, go in here and select a red or crimson color. And for the landing gear, I tend to just grab this kind of grayish, just above the black color. And that looks pretty good to me. So once you have that completed, go ahead, save this out, plot it on a sheet, and then this is what you will submit for Lab 9 Sheet 1. Thanks a lot for following along, and I'll see you in the next video.